All right, let's talk about the Canon R8. Canon's compact, full-frame, mirrorless camera that's powerful, lightweight, and ideal for creators, travelers, and everyday shooters who want full-frame quality without bulky gear. You get a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor with clean color, great dynamic range, and excellent detail, perfect for portraits, landscapes, street photos, and content creation. The images look professional without needing a big setup. For video makers, the R8 packs a punch. It shoots 4K up to 60 frames per second with Canon's dual pixel autofocus that tracks faces and eyes smoothly. Add to that a fully articulating screen, lightweight body, and great ergonomics. It's ideal for vlogging, travel videos, and handheld shooting on the go. The camera is small, easy to carry, and surprisingly versatile. Want to travel light? The R8 stays compact while giving you full-frame output. Want to shoot interviews, street scenes, or social content? The autofocus and video tools make it very capable. So who should use the EOS R8? Travel photographers, vloggers, content creators, students, and everyday shooters who want full-frame quality in a lightweight, affordable package. Why buy it? Because it strikes a perfect balance between quality, portability, and price. Full-frame performance without the bulk or overwhelming complexity. Thanks for watching, Rex, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.